Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today's recipe is a super delicious and easy chicken handi. So stick around right till the end for this lovely recipe. Let's get started. Okay, here's a quick look at what you'd be needing for this recipe. I just want to let you know that I do use measuring spoons and measuring cups in all of my recipes. So if you're new to Indian cooking, this is what kasuri methi looks like. It's a highly fragrant herb that's used for garnishing. So you just dry roast it in a pan and then crush it. It's not absolutely necessary, but it adds a next level to the cooking. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started with this lovely chicken curry. The oil goes in. Okay, once your oil's heated up, we're going to add our ginger and garlic paste. Fry that for a minute. Our chicken goes in next. Salt. And we're going to cook the chicken on high for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, as you can see, our chicken is nicely sealed and it's changed color. It's well coated in that ginger and garlic. So it's time for us to take the chicken out. And we're going to set that aside till we make our sauce. So I'm going to add another 2 tablespoons of oil to this. And let that heat up. Just going to take out all this fat. Once that's heated up, our cumin seeds go in. Give it a mix, and the onions go in next. So we're going to saute these onions for about 5 to 6 minutes till they turn just a light golden brown. Okay, our onions are looking good. They're just a light golden brown on the edges, just the way I want them. So in goes tomatoes next. Just a tiny pinch of salt for those tomatoes. Mix that through. And we're going to let this cook till the tomatoes soften up. Okay, my tomatoes are turned nice and mushy. It's time now for my dry spices to go in. Starting with the turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder. For some added color, I'm adding paprika to give it a nice red color. So we're going to mix that through for about 3 minutes for the spices to cook. Okay, my gravy is looking nice. It's time now for the chicken to go back in. I'm going to turn the heat up to medium, and we're going to cook this chicken for about 5 minutes in this beautiful sauce. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. My chicken's looking good, the gravy's looking good, it's nicely coated. So I am going to add my yogurt. So let's turn the heat down and add the yogurt. Mix that through, and I'm going to cook that on a low heat for about 2 minutes. Look at that, it just transforms the dish. It's got a nice creamy texture now. just going to add a little bit of water and let that chicken cook. Okay, my sauce and gravy is looking lovely and smells absolutely delicious. So I am going to add some pepper, some Garam Masala, and my kasuri methi. Mix that through for about a minute or so. Look at that gravy. It's lovely thick gravy. Okay, so that has been cooking for about 2 minutes now, and my gravy's thickened up. So I am now going to add some ghee to just give this an extra kick. Okay, that looks lovely. So just mix that yummy ghee through. Look at that. Absolutely yummy. Delicious. So we're just going to finish it off with some fresh chilies, which is optional. Some ginger. And nice generous amount of coriander. This is beautiful. Give this recipe a try, and I would love to hear from you in the comments. I have got a lot of chicken recipes which I will link in the description below. But enjoy this restaurant style chicken curry. You won't be disappointed with this. This will go lovely with rotis, chapatis, or rice. Thank you for watching. If you've made it so far, please subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this.